Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Zurain Malik.
How old are you?
I am 15-year-old.
Where do you live?
I live in Garja.
What is your father name?
My father name is Malik.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
So, in which class are you in?
I read in class pre-9th.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani. It is a very delicious dish.
Okay, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is horse because I like them.
Okay, can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Okay, what time do you get up?
I get up 6 p.m.